Welcome to Revive Flow, a home for mindful moments and gentle breathing. Take a moment to settle into your seat. Let your shoulders soften and allow your eyes to gently close if that feels comfortable. Take a slow breath in and a soft breath out, releasing just a little bit of tension with each exhale. As you arrive in this moment, notice how your breath begins to create space within you. A gentle steadying, a quiet shift toward ease. Today we're reflecting on something we all experience: change. Life is constantly moving, shifting, transforming, sometimes in ways we expect, and sometimes in ways we don't. Nothing in our lives stays the same forever. Thoughts come and go. Emotions rise and fall. Moments appear and pass. Instead of trying to hold everything still, we can learn to meet change with softness. To allow things to move, the way clouds drift across the sky, the way water flows through a river valley. Take another slow inhale and allow the exhale to loosen whatever feels heavy. As you rest here, notice any thoughts that arise. A memory, a worry, a story your mind is replaying. Just observe it. Notice how it has a beginning and an ending. Even sensations shift. A tightness in the shoulders, a feeling in the chest, a sense of restlessness. All of it changes, moment by moment. When we recognize this natural movement, we learn not to cling so tightly. We begin to trust that whatever we're feeling will not stay forever. It will pass, just as every moment does. Take a breath in and let it go slowly. Feel how even your breath changes shape with each cycle. Nothing stays exactly the same, not even this quiet moment. And yet, within all this change, there is something steady, your awareness, the part of you that notices without being swept away. Rest with that steadiness for a few breaths. Let yourself feel supported by the simple act of paying attention. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back, not with force, but with kindness. Return to the breath. Return to this moment. Now begin to sense your body again, the weight of your hands, your feet resting beneath you, the air touching your skin. Take a slow inhale and a gentle exhale, carrying with you the reminder that change is not something to fear. It is simply part of being alive. When you're ready, start to bring small movements back, lifting your fingers, moving your toes, softening your shoulders. And slowly let your eyes open. Carry this sense of softness and acceptance into whatever comes next. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today.